Alright, here we are, December 26th. This is what I'm working on today. I don't know if this will show up in here or not. This rain gutter right here. Anyways, the top of it was rusted and painted over. And I'm taking this file, putting a piece of wood behind it so you don't scratch your roof all up. And come across here and just smooth the metal back out. It looked like it had little valleys, little mountains and valleys in it. Anyways, I've been working on this for about 30 minutes or so. It's getting pretty smooth. It's looking really good. But that's one of the things, one of the details most folks miss when they're working on their stuff. And anyways, I thought I'd just make a quick little video of this. I'm gonna get me some sandpaper and smooth that out pretty good, and I'm gonna hit it with some of that rust sealing paint. These are always helpful, these little wire brushes. Get that. Let me see if I can hold the camera and do this. And once you get in there, I don't know, there we go, I'm in the frame. You get in there and sweep out all that old rust and dust, metal particles. See all that coming out. And then when you get ready to paint, you'll have a clean surface. I needed something to work on today that didn't require me getting up and down too much because my back is really hurting. Anyways, you got that, this is a rain gutter, and it's real important for it to function properly. Keeps your vehicle from leaking. Alright, that looks pretty good down through there. And this is fairly smooth now. I say I'm gonna get a little bit of sandpaper and hit it and smooth it out the rest of the way. Alright, here we are back again. Got my little bit of sandpaper here. There's some of the original brown paint on the car. I don't know if I'm not staying in the frame, am I? Anyway, that's how you do that, folks. And I'm no expert. I'm just kind of doing what seems obvious to me. Some folks might say I'm doing it wrong, but they're not here helping, so I'm doing it the best way I can figure out how to do something. I can stay in the frame there. You see the, I don't know if that'll show up or not, there's some of the original brown paint. It's kind of, I know what it used to be. Alright, now I've hit it with some 80. That's pretty slick. And I got a piece of 180 here. Give it a final smoothing out. Not staying in the frame very good. Yeah, my back's been killing me. I've had back troubles for a while. Anyways, I said I was looking for something to do today that didn't require me bending. So that's kind of how I choose what I'm gonna do, is how I'm feeling. But that's pretty much it. That's gonna be 100 times better than what it was. You can see I did this a little bit here last night. Smoothed all this out and hit it with the rust sealing paint. These are the old notches where the visor was. Right here. I'll pay attention to see where I'm in the frame. This paint's kind of shiny, but it will be covered up. And anyways, you get in there and seal that rain gutter up. See if I can get it. Yeah. And that'll keep your car from rusting and leaking on the inside. Anyways, that's my video right now. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I get done. 1948 Buick Special Restoration. Bye, y'all.